Can you explain, JM says, can you explain Brand Expander, please, a little bit more? Yeah, it's just about, it's a very inexpensive service where we have a trainer that goes in and shows how to optimize branded assets, find profiles that are great profiles to add to the collection, to the branded asset list for any particular business that you're working with. And she goes out and shows how to find, Web 2.0 profiles, social media, all different kinds of sites, platforms that you can create a branded presence on, optimize their profiles. And that's what it's for. It's about increasing the branded presence, right? And expanding the entity footprint, adding nodes to the knowledge graph, right? For any business, which is the key to local SEO right now is brand authority. There's no question in my mind that the key to local SEO right now is brand authority. If you push enough authority to the local business brand, to the branded location, because remember, it can have multiple locations, but to a specific location, you push enough authority to that, it will rank, even if other SEO metrics are or elements of the SEO campaign are lacking. You can still perform really well with proper brand authority. And Brand Expander is all about simple, inexpensive ways to build brand authority that just, if you're just consistent over time, and again, it's VA work, guys, that is literally set up for that, for you to plug a VA into the training, and the VA just on a monthly basis will go out and update all your clients with the additional profiles that were introduced to them in that month as part of the Brand Expander ongoing training, right? So you're just constantly adding new nodes that are properly optimized to the knowledge graph for each branded location that you manage, if that's clear. And that's over time when you get I've said this before, but you kind of hit this critical mass or this tipping point where all of a sudden, because there's enough brand authority, man, the whole project just ranks really well and it almost becomes unmovable, right? Even to the fact where you can stop building links, and a lot of times the son of a bitch will just stay stuck, and it's because it's stuck at the top because it has such brand authority. And Brand Expander is a very inexpensive way to do that. Again, it's VA work. Hire a virtual assistant, plug them into Brand Expander, and have them implement that exact process for all of your clients. It's an ongoing thing, right? And I'm telling you, it works, guys. I do that for tree guys, and over sometime after around month 5 or 6, man, tree guys typically they'll just start ranking really, really well. And I attribute it to that.